Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my latest handbag purchases. One from Michael Kors, one from Longchamp, and the last one I picked up from Winners. Starting right away with the purchase from Longchamp, and this one I picked up at the Frankfurt airport. So I was recently on a trip to Lagos, Nigeria, and on my way back to Lethbridge I flew through Frankfurt, and they had some wonderful stores at the airport. Airport shopping is one of the best types of shopping, to be honest. And if you haven't watched my travel vlog, which was my April vlog, I will leave that linked in the description box below so you can go take a look and see how much fun I had in Lagos. So I picked this up at the airport. This is actually the first time I'm seeing a Longchamp store at an airport. I probably haven't wandered far enough from my boarding gate, but this was pretty close to my boarding gate in Frankfurt, and I was delighted to see all the bags they had in the store. I was gambling between picking up this item and another regular Le Pliage original, but in the short handle version in the small size. And I love Longchamp, especially for travel. I actually traveled on this last trip with my Le Pliage original large shopping tote with the longer handle, and I absolutely loved it. Because of how well it worked on that trip, I'm not even considering, I want to buy another one that will actually go with my travel set better, so either pink or blue, just so I have that one dedicated for travel. This one, however, I wanted for the longest time, so I was particularly excited when I saw it in the store. Now, this is the LGP line. So the line that has the big Longchamp monogram is the LGP line, and it comes in 3 different colorways. They had the navy blue and black, the red and black, and then the white and black. And immediately I saw the white and black, I really lost it after it. I saw some pieces at my local Winners about a year ago, actually this time exactly a year ago, and I didn't pick it up because at that time I had just bought my small size with the top handle, and I thought, oh, I just bought one Longchamp, I'm not going to buy another one. And I did not pick the one I saw up because I think it was a top handle I saw, and that is the one I really wanted. So the top handle in the extra small from the LGP line is the one I really wanted. But sadly at the Frankfurt airport store they didn't have that. They just had this one, which is the LGP in the clutch style. They had the large tote in the medium size. I think it was either the medium or the small, and then they had the backpack, and I didn't want either one of those ones, but I really wanted something from the collection, and it's much more affordable for me to buy it in Europe because of the exchange rate. So this cost me about 160 something Canadian dollars. It was about 110 euros, and on the Longchamp Canada website it's actually retailing currently for about 210 Canadian dollars if I'm not mistaken. So a savings of about 50 Canadian dollars I think is worth it to me. So I decided to pick this up anyway, even though this is not the top handle in the extra small size that I really want, because I'm like, what if I don't buy this now and I never find the extra small top handle? And then I'd be sad that I never picked something up from the line. And I don't think they're continuing with the LGP line, because ever since they came out with the Neo line, or is it the green line, they stopped making LGP pieces. So while you can still find some on the website, they're not making new ones, if that makes any sense. So I'm still happy that I picked up this clutch. It's still a beautiful bag. It's very simple, very classic, very timeless, beautiful to be worn under your shoulder. However, why I prefer the top handle over this one is because the top handle comes in that classic Longchamp tote style with the ears, and this version actually has a strap. So that top handle in the LGP line comes with a removable crossbody strap, and I really love it for that. This one does not come with a strap. It's just this non-removable handle here, and then you have the zipper, which I absolutely love. This is kind of like one of the reasons why I love this version, because of that big bold zipper. And then you have the jock there, and the Longchamp sign on the zipper, and then the zipper pull in this light neon green, and then the beautiful LGP monogram. So pretty. I love, you guys know I love white and black, and I particularly love this one. So at the back there's no pockets, you just have the stitching on the pockets in the interior. Hardware is kind of like a I wouldn't say this is gunmetal, sort of, but it's not silver. It's not quite silver. And then on the inside, you have that Longchamp wipeable interior. You have one slip pocket at the back, and you have the care card in there, and that's all to this. It is a small bag, but it is not a tiny bag. It actually fits quite a bit, and maybe when I use it down the line, I will do a what fits so you guys can see. And when it is packed full, it's empty right now, so it just looks like that, but when it is packed full, it actually slouches nicely like this, and I love it beautifully for that. It reminds me so much. It actually has the same shape as my Kate Spade Little Better Sam that I bought, just like this, and now I'm debating selling that off because do I really need two bags that are exactly like this? And so since what I really want is the top handle extra small size with the removable strap, and this doesn't have it, I decided that I will use my crossbody strap from my Coach heart bag, because the hardware is not the same, but it doesn't look so different either. And so I'm just going to attach it here to show you guys what it looks like, because I really want this particular LGP print in a crossbody style. I think it would just be so cool to carry this bag crossbody. And the top handle or the strap here is not so stiff that it doesn't bend over easily, so it can get out of the way. It's not in your way, it's not digging into your body if you want to wear it crossbody. And then this is the strap on that, so I think it goes perfectly and works well for now. So this is my immediate solution to not having that extra small top handle. It is still available on the Longchamp Canada website, but I think it's going for 280 Canadian dollars. I saw one on Poshmark recently for 260, but I'm really not willing to pay that price for it. Like 150 and under. 150 and under is what I want to pay for that bag. So yeah, I'm hoping I find it at that price someday. It's not a rush. I don't have to have it now, someday. And so when I wear it crossbody on the shortest setting, it hits me at my hip, which I don't love. I wish it hits at my waist because it's a smaller bag, so if it comes up higher, it's better than when it's lower. All in all, I absolutely adore this bag. It is so cute. It is tiny. I love the contrast color in that zipper pull, and then the big LGP monogram as well. And I just love the fact that it is black and white. As with all of my other Longchamp handbags, I'm just very happy with this purchase. I love the fact that Longchamp is so functional and practical, and you can use it for a variety of things without having to worry about the bag. The next bag I'm going to share is from Michael Kors, which for someone who was totally against Michael Kors handbags once upon a time, I now have two Michael Kors bags in my collection, and this will make it a third one. So again, on this trip on my way to Lagos, I stopped by at the Cross Iron Mills Mall, and I vlogged at the Coach store and Michael Kors and Kate Spade outlet. So if you guys haven't seen that shopping video, I will link it below so you can go watch it. And I specifically went to Michael Kors to buy two handbags for two people that I was going to see in Lagos that I wanted to gift to them. And I have mentioned on this channel before that I wanted a Michael Kors Manhattan. Ever since the last time I went into the store and I saw the Manhattan in black with the oil slick hardware, I fell in love and I really wanted it. And I never understood why people like the Manhattan before now, but when I saw that black with the oil slick, I'm like, this is the best one and I have to have it. So I went into the store this time to buy the two bags that I wanted for two people and check out if they had the Manhattan. They didn't have that one. Of course they had it in the white with the oil slick hardware, but they didn't have it in the black. But then I saw this beautiful pink and I couldn't leave it. I could not turn my back on this bag, which I know has to be love because I am not a Michael Kors person. Neither am I a pink person. In fact, I sold the only pink bag that I had in my collection, which was from Kate Spade. So I'm really surprised by this purchase, but I so much love it. I do not regret it one bit. I've said it time and time again on this channel that I don't like Michael Kors handbags. I like their ready-to-wear. I love their ready-to-wear. I have a number of Michael Kors ready-to-wear pieces, but handbags, no. But I saw this one and I'm like, forget the oil slick. Give me that blush pink. Just look at it. Look at this beauty. Can you see the stitching here? Fendi, take a leaf from Michael Kors. Can you see that side stitching? If you don't know what I'm talking about, go and watch my last video where I unboxed my Fendi Baguette foam pouch. and you see what I'm talking about. So just look at how beautiful that stitching is. They made it to look like a champagne glass, and it's obviously doing its job, but in a beautiful way. Just look at the buckles. Oh my goodness. I just filmed a video on all my satchels, my satchel top handles, and I didn't have this yet. So this is a new addition to my satchel, my top handle satchel family, and I love this one. Again, that video I will link it below, so you can watch that and see how much I love this style. I've come to the conclusion after my many years of handbag collection and handbag buying and love for handbags that this is my favorite style in handbags. That's it. I know myself well enough now to know that this is it. Top handle satchel style. If it has a bit of a winged side, all the better, right? So I love this. I love the gold hardware. It pairs perfectly with the pink. Love the straps here. The rivets on the side are so beautiful. And then just look at that bottom. Doesn't it just look like a piece of luggage? Hello, LV. Do you see what Michael Kors is doing? And then look at that bottom, how it is folded neatly. It looks like a very, very clean envelope. The top there, you have that, again, that beautiful stitched top handle. I mean, everything about this bag is elegant, from the color to the stitching to the construction to the design. And that is the lock there. It says Michael Kors on there. And then you open that up to this beautiful interior. I don't know what materials this bag is made of. Honestly, I'm not sure. I want to find out. But I just absolutely love the style. The style is what has made me fall in love with this bag. It comes with a crossbody strap, of course. That's what the interior looks like. It is fabric lined on the inside. The fabric says Michael Kors all over. You have one slip pocket in the front and one zipper pocket at the back, with the care booklet. This is the tag, and it says Michael Kors Manhattan powder blush medium top handle school satchel leather. And this is it. Price says $658, but I believe I bought it for a little over $200. They were doing a sale where if you spend over 200 you get, I think, 10% off. If you spend over 300 you get 15% off, something like that. I got a good deal on all three bags that I bought, and I think I spent about 200 per bag, which was awesome. So absolutely love this one. This is not to say that I'm not going to buy my the black in oil slick. That is how much I love my top handle satchel bags. It has a front pocket here, which is really nice. So I'm probably still going to buy that black with oil stick because it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. So if I ever see it whenever I go to Michael Kors outlet, I'm definitely going to be purchasing it. It doesn't have a back pocket, which is fine by me. You all know how I feel about back pockets. On my satchel bag, the straps here are not adjustable or removable. They're fixed that way. It's so cute though. I'm happy that I finally unwrapped it and shown you guys. Now I can use it. This is probably going to be my work bag for all of next week, and I'm so excited to use it. All right, the last bag I have to share with you guys is this one that I picked up from Winners. Now, if you don't live in Canada, Winners is a discount store that's part of the TK Style family. Is it TK Style or TJ Style? That group of companies that owns Marshalls, HomeSense, TJ Maxx, and TK Maxx. Winners is one of their Canadian stores, and last week during my lunch, never go to the mall during your lunch, guys, I bought this beauty. Isn't it just gorgeous for spring and summer? Think of all the raffia bags that Coach recently released at the outlet and how beautiful and gorgeous those bags are. That's how this one is. Granted, the materials are not the same, the quality is not the same, but for $30, something I'm only going to use once or twice in the summer, hell yes. I picked it up immediately. This one is by the brand Like Dreams, I think is their name. Yes, Like Dreams. And like I said, I bought it for $30 at Winners. So I wasn't planning on buying this bag, but when I saw it, it was just too cute. Look at how it just look at it, and then look at my Sammy. Just so cute. This is obviously trying to mimic the Hermes Kelly, but I bought it because I have at least one straw bag in my collection. This I've had for years, for about 5 years now. I bought it from H&M. It is crossbody saddle style, and I know I've only used this bag like 5 times in all the 5 years that I've had it, right? So I know I'm never going to use a straw bag a whole lot. So there's no point in investing so much money in a designer straw bag, whether it's luxury or contemporary designer. I'm not going to spend that much. But like I said, I've had this for about 5 years now. It's still in great condition, but I decided it was time to replace it with something else. And so this I'm going to retire. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to retire it. I'm not going to use it anymore. And now I'm going to use this. So it's the same white and straw concept. You can see my idea of this type of bag remains the same. I just wanted something fresh, something new, something more me. That I bought at the beginning of my handbag collection, where I didn't really know my style at that time, what I liked, what I didn't. I still love that bag, don't get me wrong, but I am not a saddle bag girl. I've come to that realization and I've accepted the fact. I am more top handle, satchel, tote style. So I absolutely love this. I love the white paired with the straw. It's very obvious. I love the detail that it has here. I think it's cute for what it is. It's also white on the interior. It does have this crossbody strap. Unfortunately, it is not removable and it is not adjustable. I wish it was, but I mean, you can only get so much for a $30 bag. And then on the interior, it is not quite big, but it's big enough for everything you need in the summer. It's kind of like a mini bag, that's what I will call it. Again, fabric lining on the inside. There's no pocket at all, so it's just one open space. It doesn't have any feet. I just think it is such a cute bag. I wore it crossbody in the store. It hit me not very high, it was quite low, but I don't think I'm going to be using this crossbody strap a whole lot. I'm probably just going to be carrying it like this, top handle with the strap dangling below it. I just think it's a very cute bag to use in the summer. Most likely not in the spring, but I would definitely be using this in the summer. So there you go. Let me show you guys close up what it looks like. And then the top handle, very cute. Now this is not the first time I'm buying a handbag from Winners. I have a couple of other bags as well that are no-name brands or lesser known brands, because I really just love handbags. So if I see a handbag that I like the style, I like the vibe, I will add it to my collection if I feel like I really need it. And Winners is such a good place. Discount stores in general are such good places to find those types of bags. And if you want to see what else I found at Winners during my last trip, you want to watch this video here, which was my March vlog showing you all the beautiful things that I saw when I was out and about. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in this one. Bye.